Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this ready-to-move-in office space in the Galadari Building 17, located in Dubai Production City. At 2,271 square foot, this fitted corner unit is perfect for businesses requiring an open layout space. It comes with 2 partitions. Being a corner unit, it has plenty of natural light from the large windows. With a pantry and washroom attached, it has all the amenities required to create a comfortable working environment. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.